Hi, my name is Tim with OS College, and this is a quick video from Microsoft Excel Online. Quick videos are 2 to 5 minute videos that give an overview of one particular aspect or function of a particular application. And Microsoft Excel is the version of Excel that can be accessed through just about any web browser on any operating system: Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, and various Linux distros. In this video, we're going to be looking at changing the entire formatting of a table that was created from data in a spreadsheet. And to do that, first make sure you are in the Home ribbon, and then select the entire table that you want to change the formatting on. And to do this, if you're using Windows, Chrome OS, or a Linux distro, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and press the letter A. If you're a Mac user, hold down the Command key, one of the keys that are next to the keyboard, to the space bar, and press A. That selects the entire table. Then in the Home ribbon, go to Format as Table, click this drop down, and it shows a number of choices, and simply click on one of the choices and your colors change. And so that's how you change the formatting of a table in Microsoft Excel Online. This has been a quick video from OS College about Microsoft Excel Online, where it demonstrated how to change the formatting of a table in a spreadsheet. To watch other videos about Microsoft Excel Online, other Office Online applications, and other applications, watch more of the videos on the OS College YouTube channel. And for this video, you can subscribe and like it, and click like to receive notification of future videos. There are also videos and articles on the OS College website, oscollege.com. You can also check us out on the Facebook page, on our Facebook page. Thank you for watching.